Dear students, in the last class we did some problems of trigonometrical identities, chapter 21, the exercise 21a. We will continue that. So let's do now question number 10 from the exercise 21a. The question is, prove that sec square a plus cosec square a is equal to sec square a cosec square a. So our LHS is sec square a plus cosec square a. This is equal to, sec square a can be written as 1 divided by cos square a plus cosec square a can be written as 1 divided by sin square a. This is equal to 1 into sin square a, that is sin square a, plus cos square a into 1, that is cos square a, divided by cos square a into sin square a, cos square a sin square a. This is equal to, we know that sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. So this is 1 divided by cos square a sin square a. This is equal to 1 by cos square a into 1 by sin square a. 1 by cos square a into 1 by sin square a. This is equal to 1 by cos square a is sec square a. Sec square a into 1 by sin square a is cosec square a, equal to RHS. Next question. Prove that sec a minus cos a into sec a plus cos a equal to sin square a plus tan square a. LHS is a minus b into a plus b. Sec a minus cos a into sec a minus cos a into sec a plus cos a. This is equal to a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. So this becomes sec square a minus cos square a. We have to prove that this product should be equal to sin square a plus tan square a. So sec square a is, what is sec square a in terms of tan square? We know that sec square a minus tan square a equal to 1. So sec square a is 1 plus tan square a. Sec square a is equal to 1 plus tan square a. So this becomes 1 plus tan square a minus cos square a. We know cos square a is 1 minus sin square a. So 1 minus sin square a. This is equal to 1 plus tan square a. Remove the bracket. So this becomes minus 1 minus sin square a become plus sin square a. This is equal to 1 minus 1. Cancel. Tan square a plus sin square a equal to sin square a plus tan square a equal to RHS. Next question. Prove that 1 divided by sec a plus tan a is equal to sec a minus tan a. I think it is question number 18 from the same exercise 21a. Here the first step is, here the denominator is sec a plus tan a. We will multiply both numerator and denominator by sec a minus tan a. So our LHS becomes 1 into sec a minus tan a. 1 into sec a minus tan a divided by sec a plus tan a into sec a minus tan. This is equal to sec a minus tan a divided by a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. sec square a minus tan square a is equal to sec minus tan a divided by, this become sec square a minus tan square a, we know it is 1. So sec minus tan a, sec minus tan a divided by 1 is equal to sec minus tan a equal to RHS. Proved. Next question. Prove that sin a plus cosec a whole square plus cos a plus sec a whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. The first step is we will expand this. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this become sin square a plus 2ab, 2 sin a cosec a plus cosec square a, b square becomes cosec square a. Then again a plus b the whole square, cos square a plus 2ab, 2 cos a sec a plus sec square a. This is equal to sin square a plus, we will take this cos square here, cos square a plus 2 sin a cosec a plus cosec square a, we will rewrite cosec square a in terms of cot square a. We know that cosec square is equal to 1 plus cot square a, 1 plus cot square a plus 2 cos a sec a plus sec square a can be written as 1 plus tan square a, 1 plus tan square a. This is equal to sin square a plus cos square a. We know that it is 1 plus 2 sin a cosec a. 2 sin a into cosec a is 1 by sin a. We know that sin is the reciprocal of cosec. Cosec is the reciprocal of sin. Sin a equal to 1 by cosec a, cosec a equal to 1 by sin a. So this become 1, sin a cosec a becomes 1. So this part is 2, 2 into 1 become 2 into 1 plus, again there is 1 here, plus cot square a plus, here also 2 cos a sec a. Cos a is equal to 1 by sec a and sec a is equal to 1 by cos a. Cos is the reciprocal of sec. So cos a sec a becomes 1. So that becomes 2 into 1 plus this 1 plus tan square a. This is equal to 1 plus 2 into 1 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 2 into 1 is 2, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. This is equal to 7 plus, what is we have to prove? Tan square a plus cot. There is tan square a plus this cot square a is equal to RHS. Proved. Next question. Prove that 1 plus sin a divided by cos a plus cos a divided by 1 plus sin a is equal to 2 sec a. So LHS is equal to cross multiply 1 plus sin a into 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a the whole square plus cos a into cos a, that is cos square a whole divided by cos a into 1 plus sin a. This is equal to a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So 1 plus 1 square plus 2ab, 2 into 1 into sin a, that is 2 sin a plus sin square a, b square is sin square a plus this cos square a divided by cos a into 1 plus sin a. This is equal to sin square a plus cos square a is 1. So 1 plus 2 sin a plus 1 divided by cos A into 1 plus sin A. This is equal to 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 sin A divided by cos A into 1 plus sin A. This is equal to, take 2 common from here, so 2 times 2 into 1 plus sin A divided by cos A into 1 plus sin A. 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A cancel, that is equal to 2 by cos A. This is equal to 2 into 1 by cos A equal to 2 ck equal to RHS. 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A whole square plus cos A into cos A, cos square A whole divided by cos A into 1 plus sin A, cos A into 1 plus sin A is equal to, expand this. So this becomes 1 plus 2 sin A plus sin square A plus this cos square A whole divided by cos A into 1 plus sin A. 1 plus sin square A plus cos square A is 1. So that one is here. So 1 plus 2 sin A plus 1 divided by cos A into 1 plus sin A is equal to 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 sin A divided by cos A into 1 plus sin A. This is equal to, take 2 outside. So 2 into 1 plus sin A divided by cos A into 1 plus sin A. This is equal to 1 plus sin A cancel, 2 divided by cos A, which is equal to 2 ck. Next question, prove that root 1 plus sin A divided by 1 minus sin A is equal to ck plus tan A. So LHS is equal to root of 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. See, the denominator here is 1 minus sin A. So we will multiply both the numerator and denominator by 1 plus sin A, since here the denominator is 1 minus sin A. So into 1 plus sin A divided by 1 plus sin A. This is equal to 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A, root of 1 plus sin A whole square divided by 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A, that is A minus B into A plus B, A square minus B square. So 1 square minus sin square, 1 square is 1 minus sin square A. This is equal to root of 1 plus sin A the whole square divided by 1 minus sin square is cos square A. Cos square A. This is equal to, remove the square root. Square root of 1 plus sin A whole square becomes 1 plus sin A divided by root cos square is cos A. 1 plus sin A divided by cos A. This becomes 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. Sin A by cos A. 1 by cos A is ck plus sin A by cos A is tan A equal to RHS. Next question. This is the last question in this session. Prove that cos theta cot theta divided by 1 plus sin theta is equal to cosec theta minus 1. Since the denominator is 1 plus sin theta, we will multiply both numerator and denominator by 1 minus sin theta. So LHS is equal to cos theta cot theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. This is equal to cos theta cot theta. Cos theta into cot theta is cos theta by sin theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta, that is 1 minus sin square theta. This is equal to cos theta into cos theta, that is cos square theta into 1 by sin theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. This is equal to cos square theta and cos square theta get cancelled. So next is 1 by sin theta into 1 by sin theta into 1 minus sin theta is equal to 1 by sin theta into 1, that is 1 by sin theta minus 1 by sin theta into sin theta, 1 by sin theta into sin theta, sin theta cancel. This is equal to 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin theta is cosec theta minus 1, that is equal to RHS. Hope you have understood this. We will wind up this session now. So keep practicing. Stay tuned.